the Glowforge just looked much easier to use, much more user friendly, and it is. Hi, my name is Simon Baxter. I'm the founder of Kitbash Studio. We're a props workshop based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. We work in film and TV. I'd seen the Glowforge and a bunch of their adverts and people using them online on YouTube. The CNC router, for example, really useful for working in wood, but you just can't get the same sort of detail that you can get when you're using a laser. It's part of my workflow now that I know I have it there to use. I've been given a prop or something that a designer wants to use, but they needed to be altered slightly, and the Glowforge is really handy for that. Like, to try to do that by hand would be messy and would take you twice the amount of time and wouldn't be nearly as accurate, and that's why having the Glowforge nearby is super useful. I was working on a sci-fi film earlier this year, and it had a kind of a 1940s vibe. I could really quickly just churn out this sort of branded stamp that I could put onto the stationery that was sitting on people's desks in the different sets. Along with a lot of other people, I'm currently in a coronavirus related lockdown at the minute. So started feeling out into different things that I can make and sell. The versatility that you can get from a machine like this, particularly one that's so easy to use, sort of gives me a weird safety net that I didn't assume I would be able to or have to depend on whenever I first bought it, and I'm quite thankful to have that there.